Everybody. Welcome to Inspire HR. In this video session, we are going to see how an employee can give request for mobile device registration, and after approval of this mobile device registration, how employee can do punch in and punch out. Log into your Inspire HR app. Inspire HR app will ask for the location. Make sure your location is enabled. Tap on allow all the time. I'm going to request for this device registration first time. So this device is not registered with this employee code. So you can see in the dashboard, please register your mobile. Just tap on register. Next, mobile registration page will come. Tap on register my mobile button. Once you tap on this, it will send a request to the admin. Also, it will send an email to you and a notification also. So you can see mobile registration request has sent successfully. Now back to dashboard. So you can see device register is pending for approval. So now let admin approve this device. Before that, you can check the notification also. You can see we have received a request to register your mobile device. We will update you soon. Same, you will receive an email also. Employee will receive an email like this. Let admin approve this request. As an admin, I am doing this approval from Inspire portal end. So once admin approve, employee will receive an email like this. Your mobile registration is approved. You can start punching from your device itself. You can go to notifications. So mobile device registration is approved. Now back to dashboard. Once device is approved, employee can do punch in and punch out. Tap on punch in. Once employee do punch in or punch out, this particular record will store in Inspire with the geolocation, with the exact address. That's the reason Inspire HR asks for the location. So once punch in done, so it is coming for asking for punch out. So next tap on punch out. So you can see punch in and punch out. Next time once punch out done, it is coming as punch in. So this punch in and punch out button will always be toggle. So now you see one employee registered with this mobile. Let's try to register from another employee. So you can see for employee code 127, this device has been registered. Now employee code 159 cannot register this device again. So manually this employee code 159 will raise a request to admin. Once so you can see go to mobile registration page here. Your account is registered with another mobile. Okay, so here employee can raise another request. So admin can delete existing mobile record and approve this record. Tap on register my mobile. So what will happen here? Same thing. Again, it will start the cycle. Means admin need to approve this record. Once admin approve this record, again this employee can start punching. Let's say admin reject this record. Here for employee code 159, admin rejecting this record. So you can see notification is coming. We have rejected your mobile device registration. Please contact us for further information. Upon rejection, employee cannot do punch in and punch out. Again, employee only one request again raise. So in this way, employee can give request registration for mobile device. After approval, employee can do punch in and punch out. Thank you very much.